Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be showing you my budgies. So, I guess we'll start with Jack. Jack is the green and yellowish one just here. I can't, oh gosh, just there. Yeah, in the middle one. And Buddy is, Benji is the yellow one, but the brightly coloured yellow one. Come on, Benji. Thank you. And Buddy is the bluish, greyish, whiteish budgie. I'd love to take them out, but they're outside at the moment, so I won't be able to take them out. But still nice to just show you my budgies. And Benji is a bit bitey. Trust me. Too bad they're not chirping. Come on. Have a little chirp. Maybe if we go over here. Come on, birds, chirp. Okay, I guess they're just feeling a bit sick or something like that. Like a little Sammy over here. Resting. Jack's just using a little spinny thing. Whatever you want to call it. Wish the birds could... Yeah. Come on, why don't you go for a chirp? Have a little chirp, guys. Just have a chirp. Have a chirp. Have a chirp. Can't you just chirp, please? I heard a tiny chirp. I heard a tiny chirp from Buddy, I think. Or Benji. Or Jack. I don't know. I guess I'll end the video here. Sammy. Bye you two, and I hope you like my birds. Bye bye.